He's going to be stubborn. I said put a 2-hook bomber on, but he's going to be stubborn and put a 3-hooker on. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're good fish. They're all around the 90s, and they're up at that 10 to 8 foot, which means they should be feeding. Hey, they are feeding. Obviously, you got a creek comes around, banks around this corner, and you obviously got a slight back eddy where it back eddies on the back side. There's a deep ledge in close, and the fish is just suspended out in that, 10 to 8 foot.
Oh, yeah, good fish. That was that one we saying. Oh, fucking Blommer put you on, didn't he? Oh, he did. What? How big?
90. Boo. The green bomber.
Green bomber.
Green bomber.
There it is. Oh, good creek. Good fish. Hee hee.
Let's go fish bite. Oh, no, where are we going, Ard?
Oh, you baby.
Nice fish. Coming in the back.
You.
Moondog. On the board. On the board. Righto, let him go.
How big is it?
85 centimetres. Oi.
Fucking hell. He's draining it.
Mooney, Mooney,
Yeah.
Mooney.
It wasn't bad fish. Fucking.
Mooney.
Mooney,
mate.
I reckon 80. I reckon 88.
It's not fucking Mooney's fishing safaris.
I'm the fucking client today, mate.
Yeah. Just caught and released Mooney's 85, and literally 2 minutes later,
Not even.
he's on again. Go down low, down low, down low.
You got it.
Oh, that hurt me gut.
You're on it.
Moondog!
Yeah.
Rib.
Good man, bro.
Oh, Mark.
Fucking shame. Oh, fucking hell. Woohoo!
94 centimetres.
Beautiful.
She's ready. Go on! Moondog!
Right,
Jump. Barramundi. Okay, fine. He's coming up. On the Barramundi. Not fish, it's try to say. Who's that one on the founder?
That one I said 9 foot.
Oh. Just had the 12 plus Barramundi running shotgun, really short, right at the back of the boat. Seen them.
How big you reckon? It didn't,
Huh?
didn't seem that big, did it?
this one? Yeah.
Yeah, get this thing in or what are we doing? Oh. Nice one. He'll go close.
He's gonna be close.
That's probably easy, I reckon.
Oh, look. Look at the lure. Look at the lure. Look where it's pinned him. Line up the bung head. I'm gonna bung rip.
They're not in that net.
100 on the dot.
101.
101. Oh. It wasn't quite 101.
No, not quite. It was fucking close.
Yeah. Coming nice and close on him.
That's that barramundi.
Yep. Scan barramundi does the trick. You're off. It's got no good. No, yeah. Oh, you're a bit better. Now we roll. Yeah, down the hatch. Okay, stop up. Look at that. It's fucking blowing. What Jeff's done, he put a new lure on and forgot to put extra heavy duty trebles on it. Now he's hooked a freaking horse and he's sitting himself because
Yeah! You fucking cunt, come on.
probably gonna fucking
I didn't know you had me on camera. I'm thinking he's giving me a hard time. Fuck off. You fucking smart. No, you can't. Can't.
Oh, stop, Shane. She's trying to run him back.
I was trying to bring it around.
Just wait, Shane. Oh, careful, stay. Oh, fuck! Can't set the outside.
Oh.
See it?
Yeah, probably 90s.
90s?
Easy 90s anyway.
Fucking cunt! Oh, I'm just scared of losing the cunt. It's fucking present.
You're right.
Oh,
On camera.
that camera off, will you? So gentle with the cunt. Right, he's nearly here. Nearly here, Shane. Yeah. Straight in the net. Get ready.
Whoa.
Yo! Free fall. Yeah! He's only.
Sorry, Mama.
Yeah. Don't let him roll.